We're in Ao Nang, Krabi, South Thailand.
Krabi.
We're going to the greatest viewpoint. Very few people adventure this far, but we're gonna make it. So we're gonna show you the trail up to the peak, which shows all this southern Thailand area.
We're hunting for the grayback tarantula.
Yes.
I think it's somewhere.
These are our
here.
friends from
New Mexico.
From now? Okay. From New Mexico, California.
New Mexico, California, yeah.
New Mexico via California, America. And then you'll see Keith running up, because I'm going to make him run up a little bit.
And then they said the cops were like throwing like tear gas. Wow. And then somebody.
So it says, you are here. And we go all the way to the top.
And the cops were like, we didn't throw any grenades, you know? It's just like people lost limbs and it was crazy.
So this
like
is
homemade ping pong bombs.
nature trail hike.
So we couldn't go to certain areas.
Okay, so here we go. We're heading up. There's Keith. Say hi, Keith.
G'day. Hey, mate.
Keith is a Kiwi from New Zealand. So look at this beautiful trail, and we're only in the beginning.
Many men have lost their lives crossing this bridge. Have you seen Man vs. Wild? Oh, dude.
Yeah, we made it over the first treacherous bridge.
Look at this, man.
See how it's made out of concrete, so it ain't going nowhere. Here we go. We're going through the jungle. It's a beautiful path. Gorgeous place. I think we should find a marker pretty soon to say how many kilometers we went. Kilometers. There's Keith getting his heart all pumped up. We finally made it to a flat spot. Woo! Look at this scenery. This is gorgeous. One of the few places you'll find big fat trees here in Thailand, especially in the south. You don't see them that much.
I'm gonna take a whiz.
Go ahead. Okay, that's recorded. You heard him say that. In Thailand, you can do that stuff anywhere you want. They don't care. Except for the ladies. I don't see the ladies doing it.
What did he just say? He had to go pee?
Yeah. There's Nestor. He's down there in the bush somewhere. Nestor. Yep, see? He's out there somewhere.
His back is too.
He's in the jungle. Doing what boys do in the jungle.
Was there a separate path to the waterfall?
Yeah, the waterfall goes off to the right. We're working out now. Heart rate is pumping again. Because we're going up. Up, up, up. This is the Marathon Stairmaster. Here's a cool part of the trail. It is so steep, they made some funny ladders.
That's a good picture right there. Did you get that?
What?
Right here.
Do you want it?
Climbing up. Here we go.
Is that camera waterproof?
Oh, I made it to a resting place. So we got, I think we go downhill for a little bit.
Got my Thailand birthmark. In remembrance of Thailand.
Yeah.
It's getting a bit. Alright. Is it?
Beautiful trail. Soi mak loi. We're going on up. Beautiful place. There's a good trail down there. So we made it out to the first lookout point. Wow! Look at that. That is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, that beach, that big one right there, see the white beaches on it?
Yeah.
That's Hong Island.
Hong?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the one that you kayak around.
Uh-huh. That is Hong Island. So the first one on the left is the cove there, so they drop you off there. And then you can get a kayak, and then you go around the right, and then there's a lagoon. It's like a pirate lagoon. It's so cool. Wow, the water's beautiful today.
That's the little button on the top. This one? Yeah, that little button.
3, 2, 1. Let me get another one. Just a little bit more. You want me to zoom out and get like...
Yeah.
Keith finds the feminist viper. And he's right here. If you could see him, he's like checking us out, seeing what we're doing. Can you see his face? I don't know if you can see his face. There he is, right there. If you can't see his face now, you got trouble. Hey, my thing's really blurry. I can't really see his face either.
He looks hungry.
Let me get a side shot of him. He's holding his tree pose. He's holding his tree pose, so you can't see him.
He's venomous or just venomous?
No, he's just a like garden
You're
snake.
just joking.
He jumps up to 6 meters.
He flies. Only in the sunlight. So you guys haven't seen
Okay, you guys take enough pictures?
Yeah, it's got some good video footage.
I'm gonna see how close he's gonna let me come. Oops.
Yeah,
Do you want me to video it?
You want to rub his belly, Doc?
I just want to get up close to him.
Filipino snake.
See, there he is.
Where's he gonna
He's
go?
right there. He's gonna go up if he goes anywhere. Yeah, he's a good size.
Look, he senses you. He's trying to sense you more.
He's a good.
Because they're blind. And they let somebody see.
See, the back side of him is pretty big.
Yeah, man.
Whoa.
Dang, I didn't see that. Oh, here's you, Doc.
Yep, there he goes. See him?
Where'd he go?
See him go up, 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 up. There he goes.
Grab his tail, Doc. Oh, man.
He transferred trees.
He's a bad dude.
So, we finally saw a little snake.
Where'd he go?
He's a good sized one.
Big enough for me, yeah.
He's still up there. He's totally camouflaged.